everyone. Today is a day of excitement for us. We are headed off to property search number 2. We haven't looked. We were too far out from purchasing. We're real close to listing our house. So we are ready to start looking. I hope we don't find something that we can't get our hands on. This house is a lot farther out than we ever thought about going. We thought about going there for a vacation home because his mother had a cabin. It was a family cabin, and we used to go up here in the summer on our vacations, and we raised our children going up there on vacations. I can't get this phone for there, the camera. There we go. Our kids had their summer vacations up there at the lake, and I gave it away at a lake. This property is not on the lake, but it is a stone's throw from the lake on a road that is a dead end at the lake. It used to be a camping area run by the state, and it's still a launching ramp for boats. So it's like, golly, what a dream. It's 5 acres. Most of it's wooded. There's an area to mow, which, it's a lot, and we may not mow all that if we get it, but it's a small house. It has an upstairs loft. It's a bedroom. It's closed off from down below, and they have 2 beds set up in there right now, and I think they're actually queen beds. Well, that would be, of course, the grandkids, fort haven, sleeping play area when they come. We're thinking of this cabin. It's not a cabin, it's just a wooden house, a really nice wood framed house with porches, and we're gonna go look at it, and I don't know, we're off early, meeting early. We have some questions about a line we see cut through the land, and hopefully they'll let us video some stuff. I don't want to invade anybody's privacy though, so you may just see the outside as we pull up and as we leave, and we'll definitely take you to the lake. And this, my friends, is not even, it's about 1/8 of a mile from the house that we are fixing to look at. This was a park area, but they still keep it open for boat launch. What a place to come and swim. Come out here with the grandkids. Come out here and kayak and fish. This is Careers Ferry Lake. Kevin's mother had a cabin on the lake, but it was a steep hill down. We had to put in rock steps, and it was a struggle. Up and down, and we couldn't have a dock or anything. Couldn't leave your boat out for over 24 hours. Look at that island. Oh, I just heard something splash. And then look through there, how gorgeous. You see those big rocks right there? They got my name on them. Me to come down here and sit and play my dulcimer.
That's Sugarloaf.
Is that Sugarloaf?
That is. Big one is.
The big one back there, that's Sugarloaf Mountain. Are you sure? I don't think so.
It is.
I don't think so. We'll have to look at a map. Did you look at the map?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Farther away do you think?
Yeah, I know. Y'all, look at the beauty. When you're on this lake and you get out in the main channel and you just go in your boat and you have these gorgeous mountains on both sides. We used to get in it was a bayliner, right, that we had at the cabin, and we would fly down the middle of the lake going 45 miles an hour. And oh Lord, the glory of it is just beautiful. I'm ready to do it again. Well, we left the lake and the house. We looked at it. We love it. Whole lot of repair. We don't know that we're up for that right now. And this is Haw Creek Falls. A little out of the way, but worth coming to. This is in the Ozark National Forest. There's a half-a-mile hike in to a big waterfall, which we're not doing. This here, I know for a fact that that's a deep pool. If you walk through there, over there where those people are swimming, that's a deep pool there. I've been here when this was dry, and then there was water in the pool down there, and then water down here in the pool. Haw Creek Falls, y'all, H-A-W. Get your hair washed out real quick right there. Somebody dammed it up with the rocks to make a pool that's usually not that full. Oh man, I need to do a walk around. I don't need to fall, because if you don't know, where water runs like this, it can be so slick. Look at it. Let me put my foot in it. Oh, that's hot right there. There. Oh, that's cooler. Yeah. Look at that. Somebody's nasty freaking cigarette butt. Look at how cool the rock formation is. Look at, y'all look at the water. We're going under the one-lane bridge here. I see some car. Oh, here comes somebody. No, they're going in. Somebody going in with a kayak. Let's go down here and see what's going on. Oh, shoot, mud right there. Man, I don't want to get bogged down.